Hi everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you can apply text wrap to different elements in Adobe InDesign document. Following are the topics I am going to discuss in this video. You can use the timestamps to jump to your desired section. So let's get started. So in the first section we are going to learn how you can split your text into columns. For this you will need to draw a text box. Go to text tool and draw a text box. Fit the text box to your desired specifications or area. Now edit the text box and fill it with placeholder. Go to type, fill with placeholder text. Now to split this text into multiple columns, go to object and text stream options. You can use this slider to define how many columns you want in your text box. Use gutter values to specify the gaps between columns. Click OK. Now this is how you can split your text into multiple columns. Now to wrap your text around geometric shapes, first we will need to draw shapes. Go to rectangle tool, draw a square by holding shift. Go to ellipse tool and draw a circle. Holding shift will constrain its proportions. Now to wrap text around these shapes, you will need text wrap window. Go to Windows and text wrap. Select your shape and click this option. Use this slider to provide offset. Now you can see that offset is working fine for square but not for circle. For circle or rounded objects, use this option. So this is how you can wrap text around geometric shapes. Now in this chapter we will learn how many ways you can insert images into your InDesign documents. There are tools available to do that, and the first are shape tool and second is frame tools. First draw a rectangle or square. And a frame. Adjust sizes according to your needs. Now the first way to insert image is to select your object, go to file and place. Now select your browse for image and click open. Now this will automatically insert the image in your selected shape. Now click this option that says fill frame proportionally to fit your content proportionally into your shape. Now for the second method, you do not need to select any shape. Go to file, place, select your image, click open. Now you will notice a thumbnail has appeared. Now click on the frame tool to insert the image into your frame. Now for the third method, you do not need to select any shape beforehand, just you need to go to file and click place. This will insert image with a huge size, so you need to shrink it a little bit. Using image insertion techniques we just learned, you can apply images to the shapes that has text wrap applied. Go to file, place, browse for image, open and insert in the selected shape. Adjust the size according to your need and you are good to go. Now in this chapter we will learn how you can apply text wrap to transparent images. Create a text box, adjust the size. fill it with placeholder text. Now to split the text into columns, instead of going to object and text frame options, I am going to show you a quicker way. Go to this option and define number of columns and gutter values. Now for image insertion, go to File, Place, and select your transparent image. Drop the image into the canvas. Shrink the size according to your needs. Make it smaller. Place it in the center of the page. Now open text wrap window and apply this option. You will notice a text wrap is not working very well. Now go to type and select alpha channel. Give it an offset value. Hit enter. Adjust the size according to your design and composition. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.